discuss how consumers and firms can reap the benefits of digital transformation in the financial system. It is a priority of the European Commission too.
We're organizing this event for the fourth time in a row here in Brussels. We see an important link and growing link between technology and financial services, and that needs to be addressed in the public policy response.
The European Union can definitely become a leader in FinTech area. There is a very clear competitive edge, sustainable finance. So the European Union is a leader across the globe in this area, and I do believe that there is a lot of potential in synergy between sustainable finance and FinTech.
Generally speaking, innovation is always a big challenge, and in financial industry, innovation is an even bigger challenge, maybe the biggest one. We are today really in the financial industry facing with a lot of new innovations, which for the regulators and for the legislators actually put the big pressure.
Data-driven supervision ensures more efficiency and effectiveness with regard to supervision. It is important from a European perspective that investment is made in data management and also in the centralization of data, because that will ensure that the limited resources which regulators have can be used at a European level more effectively, and that we can benefit from economies of scale. So cooperation through centralization of the resources available for data management and also for the use of that data for supervisory purposes.
Everything relies on data, and data privacy is becoming even more important with GDPR. And so moving that data around efficiently and managing that data while keeping it secure is critical.
Security for a bank or financial institution means far more than the security within the walls of the bank or the institution. It means the security of all your suppliers, of all your customers, and all the services you are using.
How to balance security and innovation is the biggest question of them all. Now, in these times when we moved from globalization to geopolitics and geoeconomics, it's even more important and more weight is given to security questions. And yet still we have such technologies that could revolutionize the way we do things.
Innovation can improve services, can drive down prices, and that is the reason for ESMA taking this balanced approach regarding financial innovation.
Many times, we know an innovation starts, but then applications of that innovation and side effects of that innovation only get discovered as the rollout of that innovation becomes more and more widespread. So as a result of that, what might happen is that you might try to put regulations ex ante that, as a result, do not foster the innovation or do not allow the innovation to go into place. Or the other risk is that you do too little ex ante, and then you allow the innovation to go forward, and then side effects materialize, unintended consequences, damage to customers, damage to citizens, damage to financial stability, and that balance is difficult because, as I say, it's an innovation, it's new, so the potential usage and the potential side effects are now well identified ex ante.
The main outcomes of the Capital Markets Union and FinTech panel today were concerns about tokenization and ICOs, concerns about ethics and safety of machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data, sustainable finance and the potential for technology to further that, and changing attitudes of European citizens toward technology as an opportunity.
Libra has definitely been one of those wake up and smell the coffee moments. And clearly, Libra has meant that policymakers, legislators, and regulators have all had to think this is now something we need to take account of. We can't leave this in the pending tray any longer. And so clearly this is now very much at the forefront. We've seen a huge amount of activity from policymakers and regulators around the globe on just the subject of stable coins. So it's having its impact right now, and it means that stuff will now be done in ways that it might have been pending for some time now.
A couple of weeks ago, Commission set out our ambition. We want to shape Europe's digital future and lead the digital transformation. rely on the innovative spirit of many European financial firms. Together, we should work to empower European investors and consumers and use digital technologies to support integration of our markets, build a capital markets union, and support a strong international role of Europe and the euro. Thank you.